Thailand, welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will show you how to make me sao yang mean crispy noodle stir fried with some vegetable bok choy, and today I stir fry with shrimp too. You can use romaine noodle, don't just you can use any kind of noodle at home you have, and this noodle easy find everywhere and in the market. And I have to boil some water, cook the noodle first, and then another pan you need some oil so we can deep fry the noodle. I already boiled the water. My water starts to boil. Also, I want to tell you today I use a shrimp, and in the shrimp I marinate some oyster sauce. You put in with some sriracha, just a little, and some black pepper with some garlic powder. I just let it marinate. Also, you will need some bok choy. I don't know, you know. If you want to saute long like this, just saute like this. The bok choy look like this. I have some cabbage. I already chopped. I have some carrots. The carrot you just slice thin, so easy saute. Also, I have some white onions and some garlic, some chicken seasoning, and some cilantro with onion. So we will start. Cook the noodle first. I give you the normal romaine noodle. This is amazing noodle. But I did not make this noodle like often because a little like fry, and we stir fry and we put more sauce, but the taste amazing. We just cook the noodle soft, not super mushy. Just soft until we can fry. Also, we call this one a mee sao yang. Usually people put like some kind of seafood and meat inside, pork or beef. So today I just make with shrimp, but you have option to put like pork, beef, what kind of meat you want, you just put in. No hurt. Taste more better. Okay, the noodle. I believe soft right now. You need one. This potato here. You put on here. Just be careful the hot oil. So let's sit here a little bit for the noodle. Try a little bit and then remove this one. Now the oil. Let me check the oil. I think about 350 you can find the noodle. Okay, 350. You just put the noodle inside and fry. Just be careful. Okay. Look, like this we ready. When you can pick up like this, it's ready. So, let the oil little bit. Now we put on a plate. Set aside net. We need to saute vegetable. Remove this one out. Okay. Now we need to saute vegetable. So after we fry the noodle, just leave the noodle aside. Now I will saute shrimp first. So the shrimp. Look how big my pan is. My husband got for me. So here, I need some oil. I will saute the shrimp first, and then we saute vegetable. So remember, my shrimp, I have to marinate oyster sauce. This one, oyster sauce, some refresher, and some black pepper with some garlic. I just let the shrimp sit about 15 or 20 minutes. Now when this one hot, on way check the pan hot, and you can see the shrimp. The shrimp just cook like 3 minutes, okay? You can hear it. Also the sauce, when you marinate, you can save it when you saute vegetable, you can put in. I am so excited. This one is really yummy noodle. Now, I repeat one more time. You will need some garlic, onion, bok choy, cabbage, carrots, some cilantro and onion. And don't forget this one. This one I use half cup of chicken broth. I put 1 tablespoon of corn starch. So we make the sauce a little thick. That's it. And we have a new amazing noodle. Now, we take out my shrimp. Cook both sides, I think about 3 minutes. We done the shrimp. Easy. Also this one you can use mushroom if you love mushroom. Napa. But today I don't have napa because I use napa for the kimchi. If you cannot eat meat, you can change from this noodle to a vegan noodle. Started with some tofu. On the vegetable you want fry the noodle, some tofu. Sometimes I eat like this, but today we have some shrimp. When shrimp done, look, when the shrimp done, you know, like this. I will take the shrimp out. Put next to my noodle. This is my noodle. And now we need more oil. We put onion first. And now we put the carrots. Smell amazing. So here I will put some garlic. Maybe need more oil. So we saute a little bit for the onion and garlic smell. And then if you want the bok choy long like this, you just saute, but I will chop a little bit. Like that. Like this, easy eat. Oh, uh-oh. I lost my bok choy. I have the flour to make the plate look nicer. Oh, oopsie. So now, oh, it smells so good. I put some cabbage in here. Look, I have to do like this. I'm professional. Oh. And then I put some bok choy. You will love this one. Oh, forgot this one. You just sprinkle some chicken seasoning on top. And some oyster sauce with some soy sauce. Now let me cook a little bit first, and then we can sprinkle some sauce. And final, we put some chicken broth, corn starch. Look amazing. Maybe like this. Professional. I love it. Let's cook a little bit. Look, yummy. Now I put some oyster sauce. You can put some in. A little soy sauce. I just do like this. And now a little bit. It smells amazing. Okay. Now we do some chicken broth and corn starch. Slowly put inside. Let me see if we need half cup. If not, we just use some. Put some more. Black pepper. Let me taste. That's it. Now, you can put some cilantro onion inside. And final boost, I just put on top the noodle. Put some on top on the noodle. This is amazing. Put that the noodle. And then trim around. 1 second, let me show you. I just put on top the noodle, and now look, I put on top the noodle. Now I put the shrimp around. To put some more here. Look, amazing. And then you eat it. A little noodle, a little vegetable, and then raise some chili with soy sauce on top of it. Look. This is amazing. Check out this one. You will love it. You can raise you can put some soy sauce with some chili hot sauce. This is really good. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to open support my channel. Hopefully you love it. This is really yummy. Look, hold on. Let me show you. You check this noodle. You can hear it. Okay, bye now. Take care. Bye.